Welcome to my channel. How a CVT transmission works. 1. Engine power generation. The engine generates power, which is transferred to the CVT via the crankshaft. 2. Input pulley receives power. The CVT's input pulley, connected to the engine, begins to spin, starting the transmission process. 3. Pulley system overview. The CVT uses two cone-shaped pulleys, one connected to the engine, input pulley, and the other to the wheels, output pulley. 4. Steel belt or chain. A strong steel belt or chain runs between the two pulleys, transferring power. This setup allows for smooth and efficient power delivery without fixed gears. 5. Adjustable pulley diameters. The width of the pulleys changes dynamically. When one pulley narrows, the other widens, altering the gear ratio. 6. Low gear ratio for torque. For acceleration, the input pulley becomes smaller, and the output pulley becomes larger, maximizing torque. 7. High gear ratio for speed. At higher speeds, the input pulley widens, and the output pulley narrows, optimizing power for efficiency. 8. Sensors for real-time control. Sensors monitor factors like speed, load, and throttle input. A control unit adjusts the pulleys to ensure seamless transitions. 9. Power to wheels. The adjusted power is transferred from the output pulley to the wheels, propelling the vehicle. 10. Continuous and smooth operation. The CVT provides a continuous range of ratios, eliminating gear shifts, resulting in smoother acceleration and better fuel economy. Thank you for watching.